After spending hours cracking up your brain to write down the script and arranging up your room, going out to a field, setting up your camera to film yourself performing the video, and engaging yourself in the boredom editing the video, which is to you is very boring, and you are now faced with the challenge of uploading that video to YouTube. My name is Basi Jubaju and I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can upload a video in which you have edited, which you have film edited. I'll be showing you how you can upload that video to YouTube. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly click the red subscribe button, and if you are a returning visitor, I really love you. While you are clicking that red subscribe button is you keep getting updates anytime I post a new video. Let's go. In which you have used any app you use, we have different app for the editing, which is InShot, we have KineMaster, we have Filmora, we have CapCut, we have a lot of them. You have to go on to YouTube app. It is essential for you as a YouTuber to have the mobile app of YouTube, because there are some things which, to save up the stress, you might not have the time to go to their web page to process it. So right now, this is my YouTube about to open. Yeah, this is my YouTube. This is my library. This is my library. This is my library. Is loading. As you can see, this is my channel which you are watching this video from. This is my channel. So I go back to home. And where you want to upload the video, you will see this plus button, the plus button. Yeah, the plus button. You have to click on the plus button, and you see options. You see create a short. A short is a 60 seconds video. That is a 1 minute video. That is a short. And you will see upload a video, and you will see an option for you also to go live. Now, there are some people that, the major reason I'm creating this video, there were some people that were really confused whether they were to click the create a short or upload a video. So when you want to upload a video that is up to 2 minutes or more, you click on upload a video. You allow it to load. You upload a video. It will give you option of the video you want to upload. You check for the video you want to upload. Okay, let me say I want to upload this particular video which I did, the Avatar 2 trailer. It will also give you an option which you will be asked whether you want to edit this particular video into a short. But if you don't want to edit it into a short, you can click the next, the button up there, the next, and you are also required to fill up the details. You are asked to put in the title of the video you want to show to the people, and the importance of a title cannot be overemphasized, and that is why I have shown you people in my previous video of how you can do a keyword research to give you a title that you want. Let me see the Avatar 2 trailer. Avatar 2 trailer. Avatar 2 trailer. You can also, the description, you can add the description. Let me see the Avatar 2 trailer. Avatar 2 trailer. Avatar 2 trailer is a sequence to the Avatar which was added in 2009. Now, the importance of this description is to tell the people what they are actually looking for, whether this particular avatar that you want to show them, is it the avatar of the continuation of the avatar we were released in 2009 or not. And this is the description. After filling the description, you have to make a description to look very professional. But just because of this video, I have to cut it short, but you have to make your discussion to be very professional so that people who want to click on it will also will know your video. Even before watching it, they will know what your video is talking about. And you have to go back. You also have to check the visibility. Do you want this your video to show to the public, or you want it to be private? Only the few people you choose that you want them to watch your video. This is private. You want it to be private, or in unlisted is anyone with a link can view, or public. I send my video on public. Also the location, you can also set the location. If for example you're in Calabar and you want people in Calabar in Calabar, Nigeria. Okay, let me see Nigeria. Sorry, let me see people. I want people in Nigeria to watch my video. Yeah, now you can set it to people in Nigeria. You have set a location that you want only people in Nigeria to view your video. You can also add it to your playlist. After you are done with this, you click on the next. After click on the next, it will ask you to select your audience. Do you make this video for kids or it is not for kids? You can also see the age restriction. This age restriction will tell you, ask you, do you want people over 18 to view your video, or you want anybody to view your video? Anyhow you like it. If that particular video is above 18, is for 18 plus, you have to come here and click yes, restrict my videos to over 18. But if it is a social stream video that anyone can view, you come here and click no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18. And when you are done with it, you click upload video. You click on the upload video, and automatically your videos start loading. As you can see here in this particular button, you see that my video has started loading. So guys, please, if you have watched this video to the end, I want to say congratulations for uploading your YouTube video. Please kindly click the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting more updates concerning any new video I will drop. I really love you. God bless you.